The Jaintia National Council (JNC) has submitted a memorandum to Dr. Ricky A.J. Syngkon, the Member of Parliament Lok Sabha from Shillong, announcing the launch of the Save Jaintia Mission (SJM) and seeking his intervention in key issues affecting the Jaintia Hills. The JNC stated that the mission aims to revive the socio-economic and cultural fabric of East and West Jaintia Hills while ensuring environmental balance. It noted that the region's economy, once dependent on timber and coal mining, suffered greatly after the Supreme Court's bans on extraction and mining, which halted local livelihoods. The mission seeks to promote sustainable development that balances ecology and economic growth. Highlighting interstate boundary concerns, the JNC pointed out that Blocks 1 and 2, historically part of the Jaintia Hills as shown in a British certified 1896 map, were unjustly transferred to Assam in 1951. It urged upon the Member of Parliament to pursue restitution or compensation, expedited boundary resolution and development initiatives for the affected areas. The JNC also called for the revival of small-scale mining, citing the Supreme Court's 2019 judgment affirming tribal rights over land and minerals. It proposed a new SOP allowing regulated, scientific and eco-friendly small-scale mining to restore local livelihoods. Concluding, the Council appealed for the MP support to ensure justice, sustainable economic revival and preservation of Jaintia heritage through the Save Jaintia Mission.
Today, we from the Jaintia National Council, we have met with our Member of the Parliament Lok Sabha, Dr. Ricky A.J. Syngkon. The issue we have met him is regarding our mission which we launched last year, the Save Jaintia Mission. And in the Save Jaintia Mission, we have 5 agenda, and 2 of them is the issue we have to deal with the central government. So today we have met with our MP and we have submitted a memorandum to him regarding the long pending issue of the Jaintia National Council regarding the mining of the coal mining, scientific coal mining, because what we have seen in this past few years, the government has issued a notification to apply for this prospecting mining, like to apply for this mining license. It is very hard for the small scale mining people, because in this mining we should have 100 hectare of area so that we can apply for coal mining, which is very difficult for the small miner. Because if we look back, before the NGT banned the coal mining, in Jaintia Hills we used to have a small scale mining. So but now it is very difficult for the public, so we have raised the issue with our MP. So our MP has informed us that it is not in his hand, it is both the state government also should move on this issue. But last time also we have met with regarding this SOP of the coal mining. We have met with Chief Minister, we have met with the Secretary of Mining Geology. Verbally they have given an assurance like they have right to the Ministry of Coal India, so that they can reduce the hectare. But till date we don't get it in writing, so we'll be follow up this issue with the state government also. And the next issue of the state Save Jaintia Mission is of this the dispute area between the Assam and the Meghalaya in the Jaintia Hills. And we have requested our MP to talk with the President of India, so that all the Panar village who are now in Assam will be transferred back to Jaintia Hill, especially in Block 1 and Block 2. Because if we go back to the history of Jaintia, all these places belong to the Jaintia Kingdom, especially the Khat Ardaloy. And one of the Ilika of the Khat Ardaloy is that Labang Nong Puluk, which is now in the jurisdiction of this West Karbi Anglong. So we hope in future like our MP will take this matter seriously, and we hope like the government of India will based on the history of the Jaintia Kingdom and will transfer this land back to the Jaintia Hills.